in the past I messed up, gave too much.